U.S. National Aerobatic Champion, a 6-time member of the U.S. Aerobatic team, competing in Olympic-level international competition, and a 6-time winner of the Betty Skelton First Lady of Aerobatics Award. She's won many awards for her flying, including being inducted into the National Aviation Hall of Fame. She's received both the National Air and Space Museum Award for Current Achievement and the U.S. Air Force Lifetime Achievement Award. She's flying the Extra 300 LC. It is super strong. It's certified for plus and minus 10 times the force of gravity. And Patty Wagstaff loves to keep it rolling. She has won all the major awards in our air show industry. Showmanship Award, the highest award a performer can earn in the air show industry. The Bill Barber Award for showmanship, awarded each year at the Experimental Aircraft Association's Oshkosh Air Measure Flying, and presented by World Air Show News. And she has also won the highest award an air show professional can receive, the International Air Shows Council of Air Shows Sword and the ability to tumbling maneuvers and gyroscopic maneuvers that 40 years ago nobody believed were even possible. She does the hammerhead stall turn. She's going to get it turned around. When Patty won those 3 U.S. National Aerobatic Championships, she flew the BF Goodrich Extra 260, a smaller, slightly smaller and less powerful version of this airplane. And that is only the skill of the pilot, the 300 horsepower motor, and the vertical stabilizer. Let's see if she can do it. 3, 2, 1, and she got it. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the inverted ribbon cut by Patty Wagstaff. She needs. Watch her as she sets up. Going 45 degrees again. Another 45. The 4th pole will be across the top. That's half of an octagon. She comes down 45 degrees for side 5. Side 6 straight down to 45 degrees. Pulls for side 7 and completing the octagon over the stop. Ladies and gentlemen, she is known as the Gypsy, and she is the one and only Patty Wagstaff. She loves to roll the airplane. Now watch her as she continues. Aviation and Space Weekly were polled who they thought the 100 most important people in Howard Flight's first 100 years were, and Patty Wagstaff was one of those people. She holds it still. The tail slide, backing it up. The nose will flop through the horizon. Smoke will come back on as she adds power. She wants to thank her great sponsors, Aerospace Ignition and Power Systems. Barrett Precision Engines. For over 30 years, the air show business has made Barrett show up where precision yields power. Sarasota Avionics, Concord Battery, PS Engineering, National Parachutes, Ford Mounts, and Wheelan Aerospace Technologies. She's She's also proud to be an ambassador for the Aircraft Owners and Pilots Association. Now Patty now is snap rolling to the outside, to the left, as she turns to the right. Now this is one of the most challenging maneuvers. It is so disoriented. She stops as she doesn't want to point any energy toward the crowd, but she continues that 360-degree flat rolling turn with snap rolls to the outside. It's just an amazing maneuver that Patty Wagstaff does. Pilot shops. I've made the most of their training videos since 1987. Her own aerobatics course, and if you're interested in any of that, check or to becoming a pilot, check sporties.com. SP courses. From the right, her next to the last pass. Let's see if Patty's going to put it up a knife edge and give a little rudder kick to do on the left, as the smoke will be coming on here in just a moment as we welcome the next performer for our show. The smoke is on right now.